Welcome to Trash Life. We got the Calibra here, and today I'll tell you why the hell I put this thing away for the winter. Everyone keeps asking me why there's no winter content of this, so I'll explain it now. So yeah, first things first, a lot of damage to like the front end, the chassis, so I drive like 110 kilometers every day to work, so that pretty much sucks in the winter because there's lots of snow, salt, there's rocks. I drive behind trucks, so it's all highways, so rocks kick in, they smash my bumper, they smash up my fenders, my hood. I have dents like up here, I have them on the roof, they fly like up there. It just sucks. And look at all this shit, oh my god. And this mask keeps popping off, Jesus Christ. Ugh. This needs repainting. The other thing is of course rust, and I'm already starting to get some rust like under here on the fenders, like this bottom part, like bubbles here, this seam up here. Of course also in this split here with the rear quarter panel. Got rust problems underneath the doors because moisture gets trapped in this crap. And of course the good old classic, the rear quarter panels. Like down here I painted over with a brush, so you can't see that, but we have rust like up here, it's bubbling up already, so yeah. The other thing, as you can see, is the windows are very fogged up, so I don't drive this to work anymore. I borrow cars because I'm in the winter daily and I don't have one yet, so yeah, this is what happens when you have a water leak. Over like the past year, my window sill on this side got really bad, so at first it was just like dripping a little bit, and this year, yeah, it's soaking my car. Welcome. So this is all moist, like right here you can see water spots, because for some reason water gets up through here, because this is in pretty bad shape. This is not like sealing anymore right here, so it drips down here, it goes like behind the panel and it goes through this seam and down here, and yeah, this thing gets so wet, and there's like some weird foam originally under here, so that gets soaked, and then the front window fogs up so much you can't even like clean it, you can't even wipe it off, like you can still see moisture on that side. I actually got a demoisturizer in here, so because this is going away, yeah, I better suck up all the moisture before this thing gets moldy. And also the last reason is I have a lot of parts for it. There's a lot of things wrong with it, like suspension. The rear suspension has never been touched by me in 3 years, so before that it was sitting for like 5 years, and probably years before that, so the rear stuff is all crap. The shocks are all blown, it just bumps around, and oh yeah, front brakes need work. There's still a coolant leak for some reason. I just checked my coolant, it was empty, so that sucks. But yeah, the motor runs great, except the coolant leak. But we have a swap anyways. If you haven't seen the previous video, I picked up an engine swap, so go check out that. And I also want to make it a little prettier. We have some bumper work, we need some wheels, and I really want to like do it right, so I don't want to drive this car every day. Jesus Christ. So as I was saying, I don't want to do like little parts and keep driving it because, well, it sucks. You're just taking something apart, something breaks, and then you don't have a daily, you can't go to work, it just sucks. And it's winter, so it's cold, and I don't really have a shop or anything, so yeah, this is gonna have to wait like till springtime so we can really get onto it. I gotta get some parts, and yeah, now I gotta buy winter daily, so that might happen very soon. We'll see, we're gonna go check out the car tomorrow. But yeah, that's the reasons why I store this through the winter, because it sucks to drive in the winter, really. Oh yeah, also the heat in the car sucks very much, so you can't defrost the windows to save your life. And it doesn't really blow like on the windshield, so that sucks. And yeah, it's a summer car. It's like a weekend car, and I drive it every day, so that's, well, defeats the purpose of it, but whatever. Now we're gonna go. I gotta clean this up a little bit, I gotta empty everything out. Then we're gonna drive a bunch of our junk to the storage place we have. And yeah. Oh, it's time to get out of here. I'm cold. Don't want to make videos anymore. People are creeping. Jesus Christ, just a goddamn car. Come on, people. Oh yeah, 229,000 kilometers. That's pretty good. Still starts like a champ. That starter still makes a noise. What you gonna do? The ABS light's on. Oops. I got ABS sensors though. Still gets it. Still good. It's already fucking up. God damn it. Damn you. God damn it. See this shit? Yeah, right here. Down here. Through here. God damn it. Okay, taking our crap to the storage, but you know how it is, some of these aren't really road legal, so we're driving in a convoy. We got some Saabs, we got some Volvos, we got some Opels, you know, all the Euro trash. And I have a violent scraping of the wheel onto the caliper, but never mind that. That's just because I put the 14s on. It's how we roll, don't worry about it. The beast. Oh yeah, just need some gas. There we go, we got lights. Runs like a champ. I gotta get some fuel. Away we go. I love this thing so much. Is it gonna stop? Yes, it will. Maybe. Uphill. This thing flies, man. I like the fuel gauge, how it comes on and off depending on which bump you hit. Okay, we were off to a bad start previously, but fires right up. There we go. Let's rock. This thing's just so much fun to cruise around. No power steering, but when you drive it's like you have power steering, not even a problem. It makes a lot of chain noises. It's so good. And just when you get on it, it's actually not slow. I don't know how fast we're going because lighting sucks, but I think we're going 50 kilometers, of course. It's pretty freaking good, so I like this. It goes uphill no problem. This thing is probably faster than any of the Hondas I ever owned. So here we are making the ending to this Calibra video. Hopefully you can see anything. This dome light's pretty junk and people are creeping, but whatever. And yeah, basically Calibra stored away. That's awesome. Driving the Skoda as a replacement daily. It's awesome. I like it a lot. I wish this was drivable the distance to work, because it would kind of suck. And highway speed is not too good, and you know, the fuel consumption is a little high because this got the old school check carbs, and yeah, more on that in another video. We're gonna talk about the Skoda, but yeah, plans for the Calibra. If you watched the previous video I did, I got an engine, I got some bumper lips, I got some other parts like interior stuff and like ABS stuff and stuff like that, just to fix it up. I want to get new suspension, like refurbish all the crap bushings, probably brake upgrade, bigger brakes. I definitely need new shocks, but I wanted to get coilovers. Oh, another riser. And yeah, as I was saying, coilovers maybe, but they're like, you can get the cheap TA Technics junk for like 200 bucks, or you can get the next thing up is like HR or KW for $1,000, and I don't want to spend $1,000 on that. Jesus Christ, that's too expensive. So that sucks. And hopefully maybe just shocks and some springs make it ride nice, because right now it's bouncy as hell. That's pretty much it for this video, and thanks a lot for watching. You know, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and stay tuned. We're gonna do more Skoda videos, more Opel videos eventually, and do some other random crap. So see you later. Yes, that chain rail gets me every time. Love it. God damn it. You gotta rev it up a little bit so the alternator starts working.